Hey guys, it's Future Music here. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an easy PSYTRANCE kick and bass line from FL stock plugins. Open FL Studio. On the left column, open packs, select drums audio, and go to kick folder. Then scroll down to MA Cream Kick. Click the kick and twist the out knob to 10 o'clock. Throw the kick to a mixer section. Now select VB1 plugin. Okay, hold on. I know VB1 isn't a stock plugin, though free to download. Link in description. VB1 is the easiest way to make PSYTRANCE bass lines. Now drag the purple pick to left. Turn release to 0. Turn the damper around 95. Now go to piano roll and go way down, G2 scale, and make pattern like this. Now hold Ctrl and left mouse key to select sounds. Press Ctrl B to paste. Now click the magnet icon and select 1/6 step. Now select the whole pattern and zoom in to drag a little. And I choose 180 BPM. Now throw the VB1 to a mixer section. Right-click the kick and select fill each 4-step. Now go to mixer section and kick column and open Fruity Parametric EQ2. Now follow the pointers as I move. Keep changing the pointers until it gets the proper sound. Now go to bass column and select Parametric EQ plugin, and follow, just as I do. Now select Maximus plugin in bass column. Yeah, it's a stock plugin. Follow my mouse key. Select mid and adjust as per your bass style. Now go to high end, bend the wave. Hey, hold on, Psyche, let me show you something. Now let's do some wobble up a dub dub. Hell yeah. can adjust the BPM for hitech and dark sky as well. Boom. Hope it would have helped. Comment down your suggestion. Thank you. Until we meet next time.